Friends, in this lesson we will learn about some more prepositions. So friends, in last lesson we learnt about some prepositions which are very useful in framing the sentences, and they convey the meaning different directions or up, down, into, to, like this. Now another set of prepositions is there. One is meshtu. Meshtu is between. Like usage is read between the lines. So chitat meshtu linie. Chitat meshtu linie. Chitat meshtu linie. Nad. Nad means over the roof. So nad krishye. Nad krishye. Krishye is roof. So nad krishye means over the roof. Similarly, in upper sentence, read between the lines. Chitat. Chitat means read. Meshtu between. Linie line. Like this. Then posle. Posle is after. After tomorrow. Posle is after. This sentence is very often used. After tomorrow. Posle is after. Or day after tomorrow. It's called posle is after. Then chiris. Chiris is across, through, or within. So it will be like this. Across 5 minutes, or within 5 minutes, or in 5 minutes, through 5 minutes. It is chiris pyat minute. Normally in telling time, it is never we use after pyat minute. No, it is chiris pyat minute. Chiris pyat minute means just 5 minutes, within 5 minutes, in 5 minutes, like this. Then vumeste. Vumesta is instead of. Vumesta is instead of. So vumesta minya, instead of me. Vumesta minya, instead of me. So further sentences will be there. Just it is a combination of prepositions, how they are combined. Then blagodaria. Blagodaria is thanks to, owing to. So owing to John, due to John, thanks to John. It is Blagdaria Jonu. Blagdaria Jonu. Owing to John. Then Vazle. Vazle is near. So near Lenin State. Vazle Ulitse Lenina. So Vazle Ulitsa Lenina. So it is like this. Now you see it is Vakrug. Vakrug is around the city. Vakrug Goroda. Goroda is city. So across the city, Vakrug Goroda, across the city. Because Iza is because of. Iza is because of him. Iza nego, because of him. Then Krome is except. Everyone except John. Vse Krome Jona. Vse Krome Jona. Everyone except John. So Vse Krome Jona. Then Nismotria na means in spite of. Nismotria na means in spite of. So Nismotria na Vse problem. Nismotria na Vse problem. Like this, in spite of all the problems, he has done it like this. So starting this will be like this. Nismotria na Vse problem. Then Presde means before. Presde means before. Before I started. Presde chem ya nachal. Presde chem ya nachal. It is before I started. Presde chem ya nachal. Before I started. Then Protiv. Protiv is against. Protiv against. He is against system. On Protiv systeme. On Protiv systeme. Once again, meshtu between. Read between the lines means chitat meshtu linie. Then nad. Nad is over the roof. Nad krishei. Nad krishei. It will be over the roof. Then posle. Posle is after. Posle is after. Means day after tomorrow or after tomorrow. Posle is after. Chiris across, through, within. So across 5 minutes, within 5 minutes. So chiris pyat minute. Chiris pyat minute. In telling time, it is always we are using this chiris. Chiris chas within 1 hour. Chiris pyat minute, like this. Then instead of, it is vumesta. Vumesta means instead of. So instead of me, vumesta minya. Instead of me means vumesta minya. Then Blagodaria. Blagodaria is thanks or owing to. Thanks to or owing to. So owing to John. It is Blagodaria Jonu. Blagodaria Jonu. Then Vazle. Vazle is near. Near Lenin Street. Vazle Ulice Lenina. Ulice is street. Then Vakrug. Vakrug is around the city. Vakrug Garoda. Vakrug Garoda, around the city. It will be like Iza. Iza is because of him. Iza Nevo. Oh, of course it is written Nego, but it is spoken as Nevo. Iza Nevo, because of him. So Iza Nevo. Then Krome. Krome means accept. Krome, accept. Everyone accept John. Vse Krome Jona. Vse Krome Jona. So then in spite of is Ni Smotria Na. Ni Smotria Na means in spite of. So in spite of all problems, Ni Smotria Na Vase problemi. Ita Ni Smotria Na Vase problemi. It means in spite of all the problems. Then Presde. Presde is before. Before I started means Presde Shem Ya Nachal. Presde Shem Ya Nachal. Before I started. Then Prativ. Prativ is against. He is against system. On Prativ system. On Prativ system. So it is like this. So prepositions, these are the major prepositions covered in these two lessons. And in case we just try to understand these, I think we will be able to understand the language more easily, more comfortably, and more fast.